Hey guys! Welcome back to another Roblox video. As you can see, I'm tinyarielpearl, but on Roblox I'm tinycraftgirl, so you can come and follow me. I got loads of followers, not because they're fans, just because I made loads of different friends. But today we have no idea what to play, so let's have a look through the games. Restaurant Tycoon. I'm a noob at that. Fashion Frenzy, guys. Let's play Fashion Frenzy. Or Fashion Famous. Just watch the trailer. So guys, that's Fashion Famous. So let's press play. I'm gonna play some Roblox. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. Oh my god. Pixelated Candies. That's a cool name. So let's play only one game today, and then I'm gonna have to sleep. Oh my god! So loud. Let's 1 second. Turn this down a bit. So guys, we needed to turn that down a bit, because that was like super loud. So, demand. How do I do this? Oh, I can't see. We need a load. Next is Pinatu. Oh, that's nice. So I like the hair. So I'm gonna give her a 1. Even though I can't see. She's naked. This is gonna take forever, guys. This is like, come on, like, Okay, guys, the winner of this one was the first one we saw at the beginning of the video, so. Let's play and finally play a game. Cool, we don't need to see this anymore. Alright, let's hop into our game. I'm a pro model. I look lush. So I'm gonna get a drink. Like some water. Oh, orange juice. Hello, can I have some orange juice, please? Oh. Hi, I'm Frank. Say hi. La 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 la. Starting a new game. What's the category? Museum. Category. It is. What is it? Under the sea. I could be Ariel. I could be an Ariel. Oh, where's her hair? I like this one. I gotta hurry up. Like that, yeah. Like that. Come on, let's do the color. Red, where's red, where's red, where's red, where's red, where's red? No, I don't put the color. The color. Red. Red, 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 red. Fun. I need a dark red. No! This one. No, that's brown. Alright, guys. I'm so fussy. Let's do that. Let's go pick our outfit real quick. No, that's boys. We need the girls. We need the girls. Go, 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 go. Oh my god. French press is nice, but it's not aerially. Let's see, like, this one. Alright, this one it is. Let's go change our body. We need to do this. We need to do this really quick. Alright, now I need to change my skin color. We need to go get face now. Alright. Just want to see. Oh. These will be perfect. So. Do you dare me to copy that girl? Yeah, I will. But did she get wings? She got different hat. Alright, time's up. Okay. What do I look like? I just look beautiful, I think. Tokyo in Japan. So guys, I think this video will last about 10 minutes. So yeah. Let's go. Let's vote for the best outfit. First up is Roro 2016. Yay, I'm on to see. Something else will feel like, but I'm gonna go one. It looks nice. Yeah. So guys, that is under sea like one. It's not really under sea. She got candy floss and she got pink hair. Nah, not today, girl. You ain't winning today. What kind of hairstyle is that? Okay. One. I like Jess. What's that? So. Where's me? Me. And notes. Oh, she copied me, but it's a different hairstyle. No. This is me. Wave. Cheer. Wait. Oh, I got, yeah. Let's get rid of this. So, comment if you liked my video. Or outfit, I should say. So, one moment. Ooh, nice music. You're gonna rate the video player? Yeah. That is not mermaid or anything. That's nice. She's nice. It's more blacky, but I gotta say it's nice. Dun, 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 dun. What is that? What? I did win? Ugh. She doesn't even look like a mermaid. So yeah guys, like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. And I'll see you all next time. And goodbye.